Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, 你们好. Hi Joey, CK, Fab, Bradley, Trinette, Aiden. Hi, nice to see you here. Alright, so guys, and Hubert, nice to see you here. Flora, Mika, Phoebe, Riano, Roger. Wow, there are plenty of you. Okay, so the rest Okay, thank you for coming in. For those are new here, okay, remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell. Well, there are so many of you. Okay, so all right, thank you so much. Okay, all right. 老师，你是什么国家的人哦？Oh, yeah, Isabel. From Isabel 是来自哪里？萨瓦迪卡 you. All right, so I'm from Singapore, right? So nice to see all of you here. Okay. All right, so yes, nice to see all of you here back here again. Yes, I hope yesterday, I know it's struggling, all right? I hope all of you will get one or two at least TP, all right? Maintain a profitable day, profitable trading day, okay? Okay, thank you so much. And Bradley, congratulations, you have 4 TP. Okay, so yes, without any delay, come, let's go. Okay. Okay, so yes, right now, what is the next thing that I'm going to update regarding this Ukraine war and between the Ukraine and Russia? Okay, tentatively, I think things is getting into a norm. Okay, since the 24th of February until now, and most of the country now we are going into a session against these sanctions against this Russia, correct? So yeah, yesterday I was discussing about Tesla. So went online to try to buy some parts for and gather them, and so that I can buy online. But unfortunately, I failed. Well, okay, that's apart from what I'm going to say today. Okay, so next thing is that China. China is still staying at the borderline. All right. Seems like don't know which side to go. Okay, but anyway, things is trying to ask for everybody is leaving Russia, all the businesses. The reason behind they are doing so is not to go against Russia, but to ask for a peace. Okay, so I hope it works and things will start to get better. And but this war has already created the damages in the economy. Okay, so very likely we'll be expecting a lot of things that will go up in prices. Okay, so tentatively in trading over here, we are still quite stable. But the thing is that a lot of currency pairs, like I have seen, okay, is still in the state of struggling. Okay, because of the uncertainties right now. So just be careful when we are trading. Remember to read all the candles movement. Okay, to make sure we understand what is the movement and the situation every minute when we are trading, so that we can avoid all unnecessary turbulence. Okay, all right. So Aussie CAD. Let's move into Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD over here, as we can see, today it is back into the transition and it is into the buy again. Okay, as we can see from here, it's running and the bull in the bull in the bull. Okay, but in the bull and it's back into the transition from bull to bear. Unfortunately, it cannot go into the bear yet. Okay, so right here we are still looking for a buy. However, we are very near to the resistance over here. So buyers, if you want to buy, make sure it breaks the resistance, right? And in over here in H1, it's much clearer when it breaks the resistance and retest the resistance as a support, then continue the buy. All right. So we still have space before it went into the bear zone. We still have about 20 pips, not a lot. So if you can, choose to stay away. All right. Hi, Roger. Yes. Okay. So today is not a reminder. You are okay. Later I answer your question. Okay. All right. So Aussie franc. Okay. Aussie franc today, we are still going back into the bull. So right now we have a resistance over here, as you can see. Okay. Then the next thing is that now it's testing the resistance. So touching and testing the resistance, they are the same. However, will we have a chance to sell? It's only a chance for a retracement. Okay, so this resistance over here, as you can see, there's a resistance here. The high resistance here, that's the peak. Okay, then coming down, this is a lower resistance, correct? Okay, so this is a lower resistance, which is also a fresh new resistance now over here. Okay, so over here, as you can see, this lower resistance has actually gone down, but for this wave, it has not created a lower low. So tentatively, I will still see it as a normal resistance. Okay, just a normal resistance over here. If it's not breaking, it should come down for a while. But remember, the trend ultimately it is still a bull trend. It is still a bull trend. So by breaking this resistance is possible, especially as you can see, it went down, tested the support, and set up the support with a higher low, which is a higher support, higher low, higher support, moving towards the resistance. It's a sign of buying to break the resistance. And especially it is in the bull trend, so forget about it. All right, okay, so let's move again. So buyers can take note when it breaks the resistance, have a retest as a support, and you can continue the buy. Okay, and you have a great space to buy. Okay. All right, so Aussie yen, tentatively now also moving towards the bull. Okay, it's moving towards the bull. As you can see over here, the support tested break is becoming a resistance over here, but break again. So after breaking, as you can see in H4, it breaks and it retests the resistance to form a support over here. So this is a very good example. Okay, so from here you can see, all right, from here you can see, okay, this is what I meant by retesting the resistance and set up a red and green buying signal, and it will continue to buy. Okay, so this is in the bull, so this should be buying with this entry here. So buyer, if you have already set in your buying, okay, and now you should be looking at this to watch out for the resistance in case, okay, you hit on the resistance and it rejected. Okay, so collect your TP before it hits on the resistance. You have about 26 pips to go. All right, okay, that's good. All right, and Aussie Kiwi, all right, Aussie Kiwi over here. Aussie Kiwi, now we have went down, okay, supported and testing the support, it failed to break. Continue the buy. So Aussie Kiwi is already on the buy side with a higher support. As you can see, it's keep pushing. So now they are moving. It's moving towards the bear zone. Okay, it's moving towards the bear zone. So I would say that this is quite I should say an obvious one. Okay, that it is moving towards is a bull. So buyers, okay, right here as you can see in H4, supported, tested a few rounds and break. So resistance is breaking now. Okay, the resistance. So the next round, all right, in H1, like you see over here, tested and retest the resistance as a support. Now it's a buying signal. Again. Okay, this is what I meant. Okay, so this is good to buy, no good to sell. So sellers, please stay away. Aussie dollar, well, very obvious. Again, it's a bullish trend. All right, it's a bullish trend now. Okay, so it's back to the bullish trending. So we should be buying. So for buyers, as you can see right now, the previous support has break and formed a resistance and has been tested and formed up a buying signal with a higher support, break the resistance. Congratulations, buyers, continue to buy. Okay, all right, so where's the resistance? That is the next resistance that we should be looking at. Okay, the next resistance, it should be here. All right, this is a fresh new resistance, so it's a bit tight. Okay, so in this case, I would suggest break the resistance, retest the resistance, and then you go for the buy. Okay, enter for the buying trade over here. All right, okay, so let's move again in Euro Aussie. Since Aussie is being buying trend, so today Euro Aussie we should have chance. Okay, so yes, it hits on the bull and retrace upwards. Seems like today is going to retest. So let's take a look. All right, so today where are we? Okay, resistance is about, this is a newly built resistance over here. So over here is the support of this wave, because from this, so higher support, higher support. So I would see that it's going to take quite a while. First, it may retrace to retest the resistance. Second, it may continue to go down. Well, either way, right? Okay, so let's check. Okay, so in H1, as we can see, the retracement ended here. Okay, ended here, you can see. Okay, resistance tested, tested, and it's not breaking, it's coming down. So the support is very far away. Okay, support is very far away over here. So this part here, the retracement has ended and coming into the transition to sell. So let's wait for a little while. If the aqua line can cut below the white line, candle fall below the white and purple line, I think it will show us that it's respecting the resistance and it will continue the selling. So by then, if there is another round of resistance, another round of lower resistance, okay, lower resistance, where will it be? I will see that because this is a low resistance here. Okay, so I will put it here. All right, previous support. Okay, the previous support over here, this part here, can you see? Okay, supported breaks and breaks the resistance, and now testing back the previous support. So likely when you go down and when you retrace upwards and hits on this previous support to become a resistance, then very likely it will start to sell. Okay, all right. So that's for Euro Aussie, but it's going to be a long wait. Okay, it's going to be a long wait. Okay, but we can still put this into our watch list. Okay, so that probably on the second half of the market, then we will have a chance to sell. All right. Okay, next to go. All right. EURCAD over here. Okay, EURCAD. Well, it's coming back to a point whereby the previous support has been tested and break. So now become the resistance. Now H4 is showing us that the retracement has meeting up with an ending point. Okay, so this is one of the ending point here. Then let's take a look. Will it start to go back again? All right, so this is the resistance here. Okay, the previous support. Okay, tested. No, sorry, this is not the previous support. This doesn't stand. Okay, so this is the resistance. So I guess over here, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. The support is here. Okay, and let's see if this retest the resistance. If it's not breaking, then we will have a chance to sell. Okay, we will have a chance to sell. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, so over here, same thing. This EURCAD H1 is going to take quite a while. Let it go and retest the resistance. If it's not breaking, then we have a chance to sell. Okay, all right, so let's see. Okay, EURCAD again today. Okay, so looks like EURCAD is kind of good, but we need to wait. All right, okay, Euro Pound. Let's take a look at Euro Pound. Again, I'm going to stay away with Euro Pound. All right, because of the situation. Okay, so Euro Yen from the bull, and now it's still moving towards the bull side, and it is still going strong. It is still going strong. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's see. Now it's testing on the resistance over here. Okay, you can see there's a resistance. All right, so now from the previous support has been tested once and break, then now it went back again, and the previous support which become the resistance is because of the buying the buy order over here, and they let go. So after that, when come in here again, okay, then over here they buy in, they suffer a loss. When come back to the same price, they let go. It created a selling trend. Okay, so this selling trend now come back here. So it become a resistance which testing. which testing the resistance. And this part here looks very strong, correct? So it seems like this resistance can be as strong. But remember, this part here is because of the war time, okay? So it may also be impacted by the war. So over here, also be careful. If it's not breaking, then we will have a chance to sell. All right. So anything that breaks above, forget about it. All right. Okay. So where's the support level that we are going to take a look at is over here. Okay. Can you see the previous support tested? Okay. So put this over here. Let's see. So this support still stands. Okay, it still stands. All right. So tentatively, by looking at Euro Yen, okay, if it's not breaking, then probably I would still say that we may have a chance. But you see, when it hits on the resistance, then it stay up there. All right, it stay up there. So it's quite tight. You see, it's quite tight. So Euro Yen today, I guess I'm going to give it a miss. Okay, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay. All right. So Euro Kiwi. All right. Euro Kiwi over here. Yes, bear run into the bull and we trace upwards today. Seems like we have rejections here. Let's check where is it. Okay, so well, let me not this. Okay, so it's over here. Let me change this to the dotted line so that it will be much easier for us to see. All right. Yep. Okay, over here. Now, this is also a new resistance. Euro Kiwi is also a new resistance. Okay, so let me check. Okay, with this. No, not this. Okay. All right, so let's move with this. Okay. Support level. Let's see where's the support level. Support is here. Okay, so now by looking at this now, okay, we have plotted out our resistance and our support level. So next to go is H1. H1 over here, like looking at this, same thing. Oh my god, it's so similar to Euro Yen. It tested once and it stays with this high here. So now over here, but Euro Yen is different in the sense that Euro Yen has a rejection in the day. So it seems like it's coming back to retest. It seems like it's coming back to retest the bull again. So we can grab this opportunity. So once it breaks this area, okay, it breaks this area, then I guess we will have a chance to continue the selling if we have a lower resistance and this support become a resistance, then we will have a chance to sell. So break this support with a new resistance below, okay, which created a lower resistance, then we will sell Euro Kiwi. Okay, all right, so let's see Euro Kiwi. I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, Euro dollar. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar. All right, so over here, from the bear, okay, now into the support, rejected up. Okay, once it rejected up, it seems like today we have a candle to sell early when the market opens, but it got rejected up as a bullish pin bar here. So I would say that probably this may not be a good sign for selling today. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check. Let's see how is it like. Okay, so H4 over here, H4, let's see. H4 over here, oh, I see. It meet up with the previous support and tested and breaks. So this has become a previous support that become a resistance. Okay, so looks good. So that means to say this part here, okay, this part here, is a resistance and coming here tested the resistance. However, when it start to retrace downwards, but it's not strong enough, and now it's going back to test the resistance once again. Okay, so let's see, H1. Okay, so expected to see this It's just like Euro Kiwi, Euro Yen, it tested the support and now going back to test the resistance. And by testing the resistance, if it's not breaking, it should have about 43 pips to come back and test the support level. Okay, so Euro dollar, okay, Euro dollar tentatively by looking at this, okay, let me check and see. Okay, if this is not breaking, okay, if this is not breaking, same thing, it must break the support. Euro dollar must break the support. It has to break the support, form a new resistance below, okay, which will form a lower resistance, okay, from this support, and it come back and hits on this previous support that become a resistance to create a lower resistance, then it will has a good chance to create a lower low. Then we will have a chance to sell. Okay, so remember, okay, euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, I'm going to put this into my list as well. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, so next we'll talk about pound Aussie. Well, today we are coming back to sell. Okay, that's good. Maintaining, all right, good. Oh, this resistance is still maintaining the same place. Okay, so over here, let's check. And support here, the retracement is ending. Okay, yesterday I was saying that this is a retracement trading. All right, it went down, it come back and retest again, and it's not breaking. That means a good chance to sell. Can you see there's a support here? Okay, so over here, right now you have to break the support. Must. Okay, it's a must to break the support with a new resistance to meet up with this support. Previous support will become resistant. Okay, and maintaining below the support area to sell with a selling signal of green and red candle, then we start selling. Okay, so pound Aussie, very straightforward, is going to be in my watch list. Okay, all right, so next to go will be my pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD very straightforward. It tested, rejected for the past few days, and now continue the buying. So buyers, this is your time, not for seller, but we have limited space for buyers. 46 pips, okay, that is reasonable, not restricted. Okay, so, oh yeah, the buying is there. All right, the buying signal 3 hours ago, it has already started to go. So over here, all right, so just be patient to wait for another, one, all right. Okay, so buyers, please take note for pound CAD, but sellers for me, okay, I will stay away. Okay, pound franc straight away, I can tell with this red candle and into the bull and bull run with this all buying volume. The green candle is a buying volume that show us that it's going to buy, and it's also going to meet the resistance as well. So the previous support over here, previous support, no, okay, support, no, okay, over here, I would say that there's still good chance to go, huh? Okay, there's a good chance to go for the resistance. A very good space. Okay, so pound franc is still on the buying side. Okay, it's still on the buying side. So guys, take notes for buyers. Okay, take note on the buying side. Just wait for a little while. Okay, now it's creating a higher support. Once again over here, there's a support. So if this is retesting the support without breaking down, okay, it should form a red and green candle, which is a buying signal for you to continue the buy. Okay, all right, pound franc for buyers. All right, so pound yen, straight away we can tell this is also a buying signal. Okay, it's still on the buy side. Huh? Okay, so pound yen is still on the buy side today. So I will say that now we are looking for a buy. So the buy, wow, this is a very strong buy, huh? Okay, it's a very strong one. So over here, okay, previous support was here. Okay, support, tested, break. So buyers, you can still go for a buy for about 50 pips, 50, buying for pound yen. So sellers, we have to stay away for pound yen today. All right. So pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. from the bear, we are still in the bear market, meeting up with the support, and it is now retracing upwards, meeting up with a resistance. Yes, the resistance is still here. Okay, still maintaining up here. Okay, a bit pushed, but the resistance still maintaining there. So support, higher support is here. All right, let's see. So we are still in the retracement. Have been testing. We are still in the retracement. Okay, retracement trading here. So if we are going to sell, we still have a good 40 pips to sell. However, by looking at this right now, we are on the support here. Okay, so if it breaks the support, creating a lower resistance below the support area, then we sell. Okay, then we sell. Okay, so this one must break. This one also must break. Okay, pound kiwi also must break. Must. Okay, it's a must to break the support and form a lower resistance. Okay, which stay below the support level, then we can sell. Okay, all right. So next to go, right, and pound dollar. It looks very obvious. Straight away, when the market opens, it starts to sell, but it hits on the previous resistance that become a support. Okay, can you see? All right, the resistance was here and it retested. Now it's on the buy side. It has become a support. It has become a buying signal to continue the buying. Okay, so over here now the buying is very strong. Okay, so pound dollar is good to buy, not to sell. Okay, just stay away from selling. Okay, stay away from selling. It's still good to buy. So where's the resistance? Let's take a look. Oh, we are. Oh, I see. We are so near to the resistance. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, over here. Okay, tested. Now, this resistance is testing. Okay, so I would say buyers, please wait for it to break. Okay, let's wait for it to break first, and then retest with a buying signal, then you can continue the buy. Okay, if not, stay away. All right. Okay, so sellers, if you want to sell, it hits on the resistance here. Now it looks like we have a chance to sell. Okay, so let's see, do we have enough space to sell? From here to here, we have 30 pips to go. Okay, 30 pips to go. So pound dollar, we have about 30 pips. So I guess probably this is a retracement trading. So scalp and go. Okay, for sellers. But for buyers, I think you can continue if it breaks the resistance. Okay, all right. Dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD yesterday was surprised. It has a surprise attack over here that it started to sell down over, and today it meet up with a support. So let's go and see what's happening. All right. So over here, the resistance now it looks like it's forming another round. Another round of resistance coming here. Can we sell actually today? Let me check. I would say that if we want to sell, okay, for this, now dollar CAD is entering into my bear zone. Okay, this part here is in my bear zone. Okay, so yesterday I was saying that it may have a chance to go up and it may also have a chance to come down. So the turbulence is there. So I do not know. I don't know whether, okay, where it should go. So I skipped the dollar CAD yesterday. So today it looks like it started to come down. Okay, and let's see, it started to come down over here. Then I think probably it's starting to go into a state of the transition from the bull into the bear, So right here, this support level over here. Okay, now it looks like it is this part here, it is a transition area. Okay, it's a transition area. So I would want to see that the support area here, okay, it breaks below the support area, which is about 14 pips or 15 pips away. Then it form another lower resistance below this support area, then I will start selling. Okay, then I will start selling. Okay, this is where in the forex trading there's a stage. Okay, whereby it's the turning point. Okay, and this turning point is the transition where it will become from the bull to the bear, and this is the point. It may also trying to become a bear, but not sure. Okay, it may also become a higher support, continue the bull run, correct? So we're not sure. So let's wait for it to break the support. Dollar CAD must break the support. It's a must. Okay, it's a must to break this support of the transition area. Then a new resistance below, same thing, lower resistance, then we can sell. Okay, so dollar CAD is just as good as Aussie CAD. Okay, so take note. Okay, I'll put this into my watch list because I see that the chances of selling is quite high after breaking the support. Dollar franc, we are still in the bull, so not going to touch this. And buyers, we are also very near to the resistance. Okay, so it has tested and retested again. So right now it's coming back to the resistance, but it's in the bull, and you can see higher support. I will say that it's still in the bull. All right, so let's wait for the buying signal, red candle and green candle above the resistance level, and you will have a good chance to buy. Okay, all right, so this is where the support is. One support over here, higher support over here. All right, so you can wait for this. Okay, or above the resistance. All right, okay, so let's move again to dollar yen. Dollar yen. Dollar yen is very obvious that right now, as you can see, dollar yen, we are now already breaking the resistance. Okay, now breaking this resistance over here, and it seems like a few hours ago, okay, 1 2 3 4 16 hours ago, it has already set up with a buying signal, continue to buy. So let's wait for another round. Okay, of course, let's wait for another round. We got no choice. Okay, it hits on the resistance, got rejected, and probably this is the previous resistance has been test as a support here. Okay, so if this is coming down, all right, we have about 20 pips. Along these 20 pips, if any time it can set up with one higher support and will continue to break the resistance. So when you set up a new higher support, you can scalp for some until it breaks the resistance to form a new buying above the resistance. Then you can go for a long trade. Okay, all right, so that's for dollar yen. So I'm going to stay away from dollar yen. Okay, next thing, Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin today looks like we have a retracement. Okay, so this retracement is coming down because of selling off. All right, so the previous support here has become the previous support over here. Okay, it has become a resistance. Now the point here, the buyers actually let go. Okay, and it had formed a selling volume to come down. Okay, so now it's going to retest the support level again. Okay, it's going to test the support level again. So for me, Bitcoin is a buying trend. Okay, I'm sorry, it's a buying investment tool. So usually I will not sell. Okay, I will, when it's coming downwards, I will wait for a good time to buy. All right, so I will, my time to buy is still stay put. Okay, it's still staying put with 37,678. 37,678. Okay, all right, so for Bitcoin, can just take note. Okay, so let's see, we have come to the end here, almost to the end of it, and let's see what do we have here. All right, we have Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Kiwi, Euro Dollar. All right, Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie, and Pound Kiwi, and Dollar CAD. Okay. All right, so yes, that's about all. All right, so I hope today with all this analysis we can get some, can get some TP as well. So I hope all of you remember those that you need to wait. Okay, please wait. Okay, please wait. Be patient. Okay, All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time today. Okay, and I shall see you again tomorrow. And also wish you good luck in your trading. All right. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And I shall see you. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you tomorrow.